Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Finelo step by step in a simple way. First, open your browser and go to the link. This is the official page to recover your account safely. Now enter the email address you used during registration and click on the Forgot Password option. Finelo will send a password reset email to your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder because sometimes the email lands there. Next, open the email and find the 6-digit verification code sent by Finelo. Enter this code carefully in the verification box to confirm your identity. After verification, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Then confirm it and save changes. If you face any issue during the process, you can contact Finelo support at support@finelo.com or submit a ticket in the support center with your email and issue details. Make sure to explain the problem clearly and include any error messages if possible so the support team can help you faster. You can also attach screenshots if needed to make the issue easier to understand. After submitting your request, wait for a reply from the support team in your email inbox. And that's it. You have successfully reset your Finelo password quickly and safely.